So, I want to get this off. How do you get it off? With these. Put it right here. Keep your fingers out of the way. And no misbehaving. Brace it against the table or something. You gotta squeeze hard. You don't want to squeeze into the barb fitting. Get it cut. And then open it like a can of sardines. Twisting down so you get a spiral. Pull it out of your way each time, otherwise it gets too wrapped around. And you want to get to the end here, and you really got to try and get it to tear down. Right now we're just tearing sideways. Haven't really started to spiral yet. And get that. So I get just a little bit here. Oh, it broke. So just get a little bit going. You want to go down the shaft, and I've found that if you have an extra one or keep them connected, gives you a lot more handle to hold on, help your leverage. So I got a little YouTube app on my phone, and I figured I'm wanting to do this for a long time, teach people how to do weird stuff, because I do a lot of weird stuff in my job. So while I'm working, I can educate some people that might need to know some of these tricks. If you don't, and you already know them all, well, I guess you just like watching me and I'm entertaining. Either way, I'm here. I'm going to try this out. So there you go. Now, on cheap barbs, like this one, the ridges aren't very high, I'm able to twist this and just pull it off. On a better barb, you can just take this and go right about where the barb ends, which is not there. I found that if you take a knife and cut it, you end up cutting into the barb, which leaves little possibilities of air leaks. Now this is a very cheap hose, so I can just turn it and rip it. A more expensive hose, you might need to score down the side without going all the way through and cutting the brass. But there we go. Now you can see the difference between these two barbs. This is the one that came with a very cheap hose, $4, not including fittings, for a 25-foot hose. And this is one we replaced it with. You can see here, this one's been used to replace a couple. I don't know if you can see these scratches here, but whoever cut this off, cut a hose off this old one, really did a number on scratching this. Now this is all little air holes, air leaks that could go through when the tube is crimped on here. So I'd be skeptical about using this one again. That's almost trash after doing that. So somebody who did this before me pretty much just wasted their time. So there you go. How to take a crimped hose off a barb.